to Manny Pagan Travel Channel. If you like travel, if you like this type of content, I'm gonna ask you right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Today, we find ourselves in West Virginia, Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. It's the first time that I get to visit this state. And I gotta tell you, immediately when I came here and I saw how beautiful Harpers Ferry looks, very historic place, I said, wow, we have to actually stop here and we actually have to go around. So today we start our day in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. We did a hike at Cattleton, something like that, State Park.
Catoctin.
I don't know how to say it, but we were in Maryland, and directly after doing the hike, we came here to Harpers Ferry, and we were just supposed to have some lunch and go home, but after seeing how nice it is, we must explore. So it's okay, we're on vacation, and I love when we do spontaneous things because we're not expecting it. And when you don't expect it, everything is a surprise. So let's check it out. Now we're at the top of a hill right now, and I feel like we're back to hiking again. But once we go down, you're gonna see it looks very colonial, older, cobblestone streets, little shops. So it looks really cool. There's a lot of hiking areas here. We're near the Potomac River. And beautiful homes here too. Looks very quiet, at least up here, and very peaceful. But once we go down there, you're gonna see the influx of tourists that are coming here to enjoy their Memorial Day weekend. This looks amazing. Hilltop House Hotel in Harpers Ferry. I know this is gonna be an amazing hotel or resort. We have a beautiful view on of the hilltop. 2025, you'll see me here. You'll see me here, trust me. I definitely want to stay here. It looks so nice. We're out of the rabbit hole. Got the chicken sandwich. You got the Impossible Burger.
Plant-based burger.
Guys are really good fries. All right, food was great. Now we can enjoy walking around here, seeing what else we eat. We're fine.
Wax museum.
They have a ton of ice cream shops, coffee shops, lunch, restaurants, all the above. Whatever you want, they got it. Okay, so we just got some ice cream from Creamy Creations. How's it? Very good, very good.
Almost having.
It's called Caramel River. Has vanilla, chocolate, and caramel swirl. So we are in the grounds of the armory that very possibly John Brown attacked Harpers Ferry. Don't see the armory anymore though. And John Brown, he basically wanted the slaves to be free. So he attacked the armory, and by doing that, he kind of like wanted to have all the slaves rebel, give them guns and rebel. They got him, and they assassinated him, and that was one of the reasons why we had the Civil War. So, pretty interesting. So these are the grounds of this occurrence. The John Brown Fort. So West Virginia is actually very nice. Harpers Ferry, very nice, loved it. But we must go back to New Jersey. So stay tuned for more content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and continue watching my videos for more. I have amazing trips coming up.